So I was working over at my mom's house and digging for a tool in her garage, and I came across this little Columbian number 3.5. I guess it's a 3.5 inch vise of my father's, who has passed away quite a while ago. Anyways, it's kind of a funny story. My dad had hinted or told my mom that he wanted some vice grips for Christmas back when they first got married, and the only word she could remember was vice, so she bought a vise. And my dad had this on his workbench for years, so I'm happy to adopt it. And what I'm going to do is mount it to this plate and a 6-inch pipe, like I've done with a lot of my other shop tools, so that I'm able to pull it out, put it on the cart. I've got a cart that has a lot of these sockets for a lot of these. I've got a vise mount on each end. I've got a tool mount for my grinder or any vise. Anyway, so it just makes it a lot more flexible, and so that's what I'm going to do now.